How about plus, verbing? How about doing yoga? How about taking a nap? How about volunteering? How about riding a bike? How about going fishing? How about reading a book? How about playing a game? How about joining a club? How about going shopping? How about joining a club? How about writing a poem? How about baking cookies? How about visiting a zoo? How about taking a photo? How about adopting a pet? How about doing a workout? How about going on a hike? How about going on a hike? How about learning to knit? How about planting flowers? How about writing a letter? How about studying English? How about solving a puzzle? How about visiting friends? How about going for a walk? How about watching a movie? How about learning to dance? How about making a smoothie? How about visiting a museum? How about going to the park? How about drawing a picture? How about doing a crossword? How about taking a day trip? How about going on a picnic? How about organizing a party? How about taking a road trip? How about starting a journal? How about trying a new sport? How about trying a new hobby? How about listening to music? How about going to the beach? How about taking a road trip? How about going to a library? How about going to a library? How about going to a library? How about cleaning the house? How about playing video games? How about attending a concert? How about watching the sunset? How about trying a new recipe? How about attending a lecture? How about playing video games? How about practicing gratitude? How about starting a book club? How about swimming in the pool? How about trying a DIY project? How about attending a workshop? How about taking a dance class? How about taking a dance class? How about learning photography? How about learning photography? How about practicing gratitude? How about practicing meditation? How about eating? How about eating lunch together? How about trying a new cocktail? How about writing a short story? How about writing a short story? How about learning to play chess? How about learning to play chess? How about going to a coffee shop? How about watching a documentary? How about taking a cooking class? How about practicing mindfulness? How about going to a planetarium? How about trying a new hairstyle? How about trying a new hairstyle? How about trying a new hairstyle? How about taking a pottery class? How about practicing mindfulness? How about learning a magic trick? How about going to a comedy show? How about going to a flea market? How about going to a sports event? How about going to a flea market? How about going to a sports event? How about joining a fitness class? How about trying a new restaurant? How about trying a new board game? How about going to a sports event? How about trying a new restaurant? How about going to a karaoke night? How about going to a karaoke night? How about going to a food festival? How about visiting a historical site? How about visiting a historical site? How about going to a poetry reading? How about going to a farmer's market? How about going to a farmer's market? How about going to a botanical garden? How about doing a science experiment? How about doing a science experiment? How about playing a musical instrument? How about practicing a foreign language? How about practicing a foreign language? How about practicing a foreign language?